Hey, Jason K here. I am in Erie, Colorado in the Westerly development. Behind me, you might recognize some of the homes from Brightland. But now behind me, we've got a model home from SLC. This is the Belle Meade home. It is a 5-bed, 5-bath, 3,000 square foot home. It is the peak farmhouse style, finished garden level, meaning basement. And it's in roughly the $1 million range. Again, the prices of SLC homes vary depending on the finishes and the options you put in. So each home has its own price. So let's flip around the camera, give you an idea of what the home looks like. See, Colorado, blue sky already. Told you it would be blue again and the drizzle would stop. Walking up the steps, and of course we have the requisite sitting area to sit around and watch the world go by. All right, let's head on in. So this home, you enter directly into a formal space, which is kind of cool. And there is another tour going on. So I'm going to do something we usually do when there's multiple showings, start on a different level. So this time we'll start upstairs. So here we are entering the primary. Nice large bedroom, cathedral ceilings. Give you a sense of what the previous home's yard was. And this one, instead of turf, is actual grass. So you get to water it, which is more expensive than mowing in Colorado. Again, some nice finish work behind the bed. Built-in speakers, as most of the masters have. Nice, large bathroom. Can't quite play football in here, but you get a good echo. They do a really good job of having space. One of the things that can't be understated is having a window in your closet so you actually know what color clothes you're putting on and don't grab navy instead of black. Thought I missed this closet, didn't you? Decent sized walk-in. Can't resist waving in the mirror. This home has roughly 8-foot ceilings inside. Again, great light. And since we're in Erie, gotta say it, go Tigers! As I've said before, and you'll hear me say again, new construction homes generally don't have refrigerators or washer dryer. But model homes, usually will show them. Wow, an honest to goodness record collection and record player. Go figure. All right, so that concludes the upstairs. It sounds like the other party has finished downstairs. So let's go shoot downstairs now, for real. All right, as we're coming down, cathedral ceiling in the family room, which of course is open up to the dining room and kitchen and the formal space on the other side. You could use that formal space however you wish. First floor bedroom is always nice for guests, especially if you have a knee surgery and can't walk upstairs. Not that I've ever done that. ACL 20 years ago. God, it's been that long. Wow. All right. Funky wallpaper. Nice horse, though. All right. Moving on to the room where everybody is always most interested, the kitchen. It's a fairly nice kitchen, like the breakfast bar. Separate island color on the cabinets, making a comeback. Always like that. Let's go through the Butler pantry in here to the space up front. Decent sized pantry. Nice. So this space, while they have it set up right now to be a formal dining space, this could also very easily be converted into an office or a playroom when you first walk in. So I know we saw that before. And the powder room. This time I won't rush past. Let's go into this hallway where we haven't been yet. My favorite room in the house. Nice big garage. And in case you're wondering, lots of space for bikes and stuff too, besides 2 cars. Nice high ceilings. Coat closet. Lucky guess. Like how they turn this into a little mud room nook and a spare little office craft spot. Very nice. And the basement is unfinished, but we're going to go down and take a look anyway, just to give you an idea of what you could do to finish it and how big it is. So you have your mechanical room, easily left for storage over here. And in here they have all their office stuff, including a nice, well, it might be a real plant. No, it's fake. But again, gives you an idea of the space that they have. There is some rough-in for the plumbing, so you could easily convert this space. So, as always, I hope you enjoy the tour, and don't forget to live your best life. Thanks so much. Have a great day. As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home or what that process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. While you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or the more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save you thousands and thousands on your home purchase. Want to know more? Book time on my calendar on the link below, or give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason Kay, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. And don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And as always, live your best life.